Hey there guys, my name is Marcus and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can set up LLC in Wyoming. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called LegalZoom. LegalZoom is an amazing website which is going to help you set up the LLC for you, and you're going to save money, and most importantly you're going to save time that you don't need to actually do it by yourself. So click here on LLC. And here you just want what do you want to call your LLC? I'm just going with a Stones Company. Check viability. When I got it, in what state would like to form Stones Company? Let's go here and write it Wyoming. Click search, and it okay, it's available here. So I will just add here my email address and get my LLC. Now when I got it, we're passionate about the companies we help set up. When do you want to launch? Soon. Continue. Is Stones Company your first LLC? Let's go yes. If it's no, just press no here. Now, what will Stones Company do? Let's just write here, I know, e-commerce. It really depends what your company is going to actually do. Now, right here, will Stones Company have employees in the first year? If no, just press no. If yes, yes, it's no for me. And then essential services for Stones Company. By law, you require a registered agent. Okay, you will also require specific paperwork and legal documentation. See essential services. Now relax, we are registered agent service, and again this is really effective because you don't actually need to find it by yourself. You just do it with LegalZoom registered agent service. Now continue with LegalZoom. Of course you can appoint a different registered agent if you want to. Now here you have options to go save time and money on your essential documents. You can go with the operating agreement, which is like the basics, is essential, or you can go operating agreement plus ein, which is required. Without it you can file taxes and open a bank account, or you can go with the complete coverage and have like literally everything. Again, up to you which one you choose. I go with the middle one, for example. Now there are business services for Stones Company, like for the company I'm going to create, Legal Protect and Total Compliance. What do I mean by that? Legal Protect, LegalZoom offers you guidance. So 30-minute consultation with independent attorneys for any new employment or legal issue, or 30-minute consultation for legal advice on any new issue, access to our legal forms library. So you can take the trial or you don't need to. Again, up to you, no thanks. Then you're gonna see Total Compliance. This is really good if you are in a restaurant business. If you want to have all the compliant all right, they get your back. They will help you set up and stay compliant, taking care of annual report fillings and formalities. And if they miss anything, they pay the fine or penalty. This is huge, you can see it right here. So this is, why would I do it? But again, you don't actually need to. You can press no thanks and just move on. Then you're gonna see the package here, and you have option. Go with the economy. This is like 30 business days it's gonna take, or standard on Express Gold. So if you want to have a fast in 10 days, 10 business days, I would go with the Express Gold, only because you get also option to have a lifetime customer support and get help when you need it 7 days a week. And that's really good. So Express is going to be like literally Express, or you can choose like economy, up to you. Then when I go further, I can simply click on Express Gold, and then you can also create a Bank of America account if you want to. No thanks. And then you have options here to actually see the checkout, and you can simply edit. So you can choose between economy, let's say economy, or you can go back to Express Gold. Now when we got it, what you want to do is just continue checkout, and right here add first name, last name, card number and everything, and then you got it. So this is how you can simply do it, and this is how you can set up your LLC in Wyoming. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. You know how it goes now, know how it works. But mainly I recommend, guys, focus all your time on business. Don't focus on micromanaging your accountancy, business administration. Focus all your creating processes and systems, how to be more effective, how to have better time management. I focus on those things. And so you can go be like a ninja, right? So that's the productive monk, I would say. Disable notifications on your mobile. Set up what you're gonna do the next day or next week. What are your goals? And then set up the goals in a minimalistic way. Okay, I want to grow this kind of company, how am I going to do that? And go really to small processes. So how can I be more effective? Reflect every single day how you can be more effective comparing to the yesterday. And you're gonna see, okay, that this day I wanted to make this amount of work. Like, what is the goal here? I'm going to explain to you. It's really simple. Now, you get like 10 hours a day of work every day. Let's say, for example, for 10 hours of work, I can generate, I don't know, 20 videos a month. In what way or how effective can I be to generate 40 videos a month with the same quality? That's the goal. That's how can I do that? And you need to figure it out. So what you can do is to eat healthier. Like, don't use social media, which is going to like get your attention and you're going to spend energy on it. Or what you can do also is to I don't know, don't watch Netflix, I don't know, but like definitely have some leisure time. Definitely you need to like chill out. That's really important. But these are the things that you can actually do, okay? So yeah, thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments and focus on like going with your business and making huge amount of money. So goodbye.